Number 1. This may define as a declaration and enumeration of a people's right and privilege which the Constitution is designed to protect against violation by the government or any individual. Answer: Bill of Rights. Number 2. Warrantless arrest or arrest without warrant is applicable in which of the following circumstances? Answer: in flagrante delicto. When in his presence, the person to be arrested is actually committing, has committed, and is attempting to commit a crime. Hot pursuit arrest. When an offense has just been arrested, and he has probable cause to believe, based on personal knowledge of facts or circumstances, that the person to be arrested has committed it. And last, when the person to be arrested is a prisoner. Number 3. Enumerate the 3 inherent powers of the state. Answer: police power, power of taxation, power of eminent domain. 4. This states that any evidence that is illegally obtained or acquired cannot be used or admitted as a evidence in a court. Answer: doctrine of poisonous tree. Number 5. Any person accused or detained can invoke his right to bail except if the crime committed is reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. This statement is: answer: true. Number 6. Section 14 of Article 3 states the right to presumption of innocence, which means to presume an accused innocent until proven guilty. This statement is: answer: true. 7. A writ ordering a person to attend a court. Answer: sub pena. A writ ordering a person to attend a court and bring relevant documents. Answer: sub pena duces tecum. Number 8. A valid search warrant and warrant of arrest must contain which of the following requisites? Answer: the judge must examine the complainant and the witness and be produced under oath or affirmation. Probable cause must be determined personally by the judge. The warrant must particularly describe the place to be searched and the person and things to be seized. And last, it must be issued upon probable cause. Number 9. It is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by a judge and directed to a police officer to arrest a person designated to take him into custody in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. Answer: warrant of arrest. Number 10. It is a formal reading of criminal charging document in the presence of the defendant to inform them of the charges against them. In response to arraignment, the accused is expected to enter a plea, guilty or not guilty plea. Answer: arraignment. Number 11. A law that applies to crimes happened before the law was passed. Law that retroactively makes criminal conduct that was not criminal was when performed. Answer: ex post facto law. Number 12. It is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by a judge and directed to police officer, commanding him to search for a certain personal property and bring it before the court. Answer: search warrant. 13. Which of the following are the rights of the person under investigation? Answer: right against the use of torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation. To have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice, or to be provided with one. Right against being held in secret solitary, incommunicado, or any other similar forms of detention. To be informed of his right to remain silent. 14. It has been referred to as the power of the state to enact laws and regulation in relations to person and property as may promote public health, public moral, public safety, and the general welfare of the people. Answer: police power. 15. A legislative act that imposes punishment without trial. Answer: Bill of Attainder.